Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode of How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode, click the link above, but this episode's all about the BMW iX. I'm gonna show you how to pop the hood because the Germans like to make things complicated. So, step one, go inside. So to pop the hood of your BMW iX, you'll find a ring on either side of the vehicle, underneath here. If you can't find it right away, then just stick your fingers up and eventually you'll find it, but you're gonna wanna pull down like that and it clicks. Then you have to go around to the other side. So same thing on this side, look for this little ring, okay? Pull down, wait for that click. Now you're ready to open up the hood of your BMW iX, just like that. Now if you wanna do any work underneath the hood of your BMW iX, well, you need someone to keep the hood open because BMW doesn't provide an arm. Guys, I hope this How To Tuesday helped you. Thanks for watching.